Hello and welcome back to another quick tutorial with your instructional coach, Leslie Johnson. So today we're talking voice typing, everybody's favorite shortcut. All the cool kids are doing it. And as far as I know, it's only available in Google Docs. So here we are in Google Docs. When you go to File and scroll to, File. Nope, kidding. It's in Tools. I was looking for File Tools. That's not how this works. I think that's in Microsoft Word. You can see it here, voice typing. Tells you the keyboard shortcut, my favorite, right? Control-Shift-S. So I can click on that, and then over here is where I have that particular icon. You click it, it will type as you talk, but, comma, you have to dictate your punctuation as well, period. It's not perfect, comma, but it's a lot faster than typing for some people, period. You also might have to speak slowly, dot, dot, dot. Oh, it does the ellipsis when you say dot, dot, dot. Cool. Okay, so then to stop, you just click the microphone again, and I can do Control-Shift-S, and it will start typing as I talk. You can see a mistake, but I can go back and fix that. Control-Shift-S, and I'm done. So that is a quick way to use voice typing. Keyboard shortcut Control-A to select all, Control-C to copy if you need to put that someplace else. It's a great modification for students, and hopefully it will be a time saver for you. All right, that's all I have for right now. If you have any other video suggestions or requests, let me know, and thanks for watching.